Hi guys, welcome back. Today let's discuss what is array, disadvantages of static array, and how to overcome it with array list. Okay, so we will open Eclipse and let's create a Java class. Let's say array demo. Okay, so let's declare array. So array is nothing but a, let's say, a block of space which are assigned to uh, let's say integers or character or string, anything. Okay, so how will we define array? We will define the integer array like int a within bracket, okay, equal to new int, and we have to you know give the number of blocks we will set. Okay, so this array will is of, let's say, 5 blocks. Okay, so array count will start from 0. So we have to add assign values to, let's say, a0. Okay, so a0 we want to assign value 1. Okay, similarly a2 equal to, let's say, 3, a3 equal to, sorry, a3 equal to 5, a4 equal to 6, sorry, 7. Okay, and just a second, here I have given the wrong comma. It would be a semicolon. Okay, now this is a simple array, okay, of, sorry, I just forgot to give one equal to, let's say, 9. Okay, so this is a simple array of uh, 5 blocks. Okay, so let's see. If we want to print, let's say I want to see the value of a3. Okay, 5, a3 is 5. Okay, now I want to see a4, the value is 7. Okay, let's say I want to add one more value, a5 equal to, let's say, 10. Okay, now I want to print the value of a5. Let's see what happens. We are getting an error. What is this error? This is array out of bounds for length 5. Okay, so in static array, we will, in the beginning, while declaring, we will give the number of, uh, the length of the array basically. Here the length is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 values will be assigned. If we try to give a sixth value, this is the sixth value. If we try to give the sixth value, it will throw us an error. Okay, so basically it is why this is known as static array, because the length is predefined when we initialize the array. Okay, so how to overcome this? To overcome this, we have a concept called array list, wherein I'll show you with a practical demo. Okay, we'll create a class, let's say array list demo. Okay, here what we will do, instead of int I, how we define array, we will give array list, let's say al equal to array list al equal to new array list. Okay, now what it will do, we have to add values. Now we, if you can see here, we didn't uh, predefine any length. Okay, we did not define any length. Okay, so we have to add values. We can add n number of values in this array list. Let's say al dot, we have an add function, and we will give, let's say, Tom. Okay, al dot add, let's say, Peter. Al dot add, let's say, 2. I'm sorry. Yeah, 2. Okay, al dot add. Okay, now see, the advantage is we can give not only string. Last tutorial, if you can see the array demo, we have already uh, initialized it as int. Okay, so if we, let's say, try to give this value as string, let's say Tom, it is not accepting only. Okay, it is telling us type mismatch, cannot convert string to int. But here in array list, it is accepting all the formats, that is string, uh, int, okay, float, everything it will accept. Okay, now let's get the let's print something. Okay, we can give the size. Okay, in normal static array the size is predefined, but if we can see here, we can get the size. We can add n number of, I don't know why that came, but yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The count is 4. We will get the size. I think here there was a error. That's why that pop-up came. I will correct it. Okay. Now I guess that error would not come. Okay, and also we can get the individual items, whatever is added in the array. Let's say al dot uh, get function is there. Get, we have to give the index. Okay, get, let's say, 2. Okay, so 2, we have got 2, means it is a character match basically. Okay, and now we want to traverse through all the items. Okay, so obviously for traversing through, we need a for loop, and I equal to 0, sorry, I less than al dot size. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, now inside the for loop, I will give a sys out statement and get al dot get index is I. Okay, let's print this. As you can see, Tom, Peter, 2, 3.0, everything we have got, along with the above two statements what we just saw. So you can see there are n number of advantages of using array list rather than static array. Number one, we don't have to depend on a particular common, uh, what to say, integer or string. Okay, any data type is not fixed in array list, but in normal array it is fixed. Secondly, we can add n number of, objects in an array. I mean, n number of add command we can give, and the array is, it's not a fixed size basically. Okay, so that's all about array and array list. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Okay, thank you guys.